Hi student, good morning to everyone. I am Lokesh Kumar Prajapati and in this video I will solve exercise 6.5 from the question number 9. So we have a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So basically in this question we have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So now let me draw figure of this question. So this is suppose AO B wall and this is AB and AB be the ladder. Okay, this is ladder. So we have given the wall is here. Ladder is 10 meter long. So this is 10 meter and wall is 8 meter above the ground. This is 8 meter we have given, and here OB is the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Okay, and here we have to find this distance OB. Okay, so here look at this figure. This is a right angle triangle. So now apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB. Now write in triangle AOB, right angle at O. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. This is AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. Here AB is the length of ladder, OA is the wall, OA is the wall, and OB is the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Okay, so OB is the distance between the wall and ladder, foot of the ladder. So we have AB 10 meter. So this is 10 meter square. OA is 8 meter square plus OB. This is we need to find OB. So 10 square. So this is 100 equal to 8 is 64 meter square plus OB square, and here we need to find the value of OB. So this implies OB square equal to 100 meter square minus 64 meter square, and 100 meter minus 60 meter we will get 26 meter square. So this is OB square equal to 36 meter square, and now the value of OB equal to 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter. So the distance distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meter. So this is the answer of this question. Now move to the question number 10. A gay wire attached to a vertical cord of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire be tied? Okay. So to solve this question, now first let us draw the figure. Okay. So we have given a gay wire attached to the vertical cord. Suppose this is A D. This is a pole. Okay. This pole is 18 meter. 18 meter. And a wire attached to vertical cord height 18 meter is 24 meter long. And a wire attached at the top of this pole. Okay, suppose this is a wire C. Here is the stake. Okay, this is the stake, and this at point C, this stake, this wire is attached. Okay, so AC is wire and AC is wire whose length is 24 meter, and AB is the height of the pole. Okay, and we need to find the distance between base of the pole and this stake. Okay, here should be stake be driven so that the wire be tied. So this is the figure, and we have seen this is a right angle triangle. So now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So this is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, and AC, the value of AC is 24 meter square equal to AB. AB is the height of the pole. This is 18 square, 18 meter square plus BC. BC is the distance between the base of the pole and stake. So 24 square 24. This is 576 meter square equal to 18. This is 324 meter square plus BC square, and this implies BC square equal to 576 meter square minus 324 meter square, and now subtract 324 from the 176. So this is 2 and 5 2. 252 meter square. Okay, and this is BC square equal to, this is 10 minutes, 6 into 6 into 7, okay, 6 into 6 into 7, and after simplification we will get 6 root 7 meter here, the value of BC. Okay, 700, sorry, 7 root 7, 6 root 7 meter. So this is the distance between the base of the pole and stake. Okay, here this 6 root 7 meter. So this is the answer of this question. Now further move to the question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and fly due north at a speed of 100 km/h. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and fly due west at a speed of 1200 km/h. How far apart will be the two planes after whole 1/2 hours? Okay. So given here are two aeroplanes who fly at the same airport at the same time, but speed are different in both aeroplanes. So now let me solve this question by drawing and its figure. So now let me first draw the figure of this question. Suppose this is the direction north, this is south, and this is east, and this is the west. At this point O is airport. Suppose this point O is an airport. At here both airplane fly at different direction. Okay, at the different speed. So now first I will find the distance when aeroplane flying in north at the speed of 100 km/h, and similarly we will find the distance when aeroplane flying at the same time at the speed 1200 km/h speed. So find where it will travel distance after 1 hour, 1 or 1/2 hours. Okay, so now first write distance travel by the plane flying towards north, in one whole 1/2 hours equal to so this is we find when aeroplane fly to the north at space 100 km. So this is, as we know, speed equal to distance upon time, then distance equal to speed into time. So speed is given, this is 1000 km/h, and time, this is 3/2 hours equal to 1500 kilometer. And similarly find the distance. So this is the suppose point A, OA equal to 50 kilometer per hour. And similarly find the distance when airplane moves to the west at the speed 12 km per hour. So distance traveled by the plane flying towards west in 1/2 hours equal to, this is 12,000 per hour speed, and time 3/2 hours equal to 1800 kilometer. So we will find the distance when plane flying due north equal to 15 kilometer and west equal to 18. So this is point D equal to 1800 kilometer. So now we will find this distance, and after joining point A and D, there will be obtained a right angle triangle. So now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square. OA is given, this is 1500 meter square plus, and OB is 18 kilometer. So this is kilometer. kilometer square plus 1800 kilometer square, and square of 1500, this will be 225 and 00 plus 18 324 0 0, this is 225 0 0 40 kilometer square. Okay, now get it. So we will get 5 2 to the 4 9 0 0 0 kilometer square, and equal to this is 5 4 9 0 0 0 0 5 kilometer. Okay, kilometer, and this can be written 900 into 61. And this is the square root of 300 and square root 61 is equal to kilometer. Hence, here AB is the distance between these two planes. Therefore, distance between two planes after 1 whole 1 by 2 halves equal to 300 square root 61 kilometer. So this is the answer of this question. Now move to question number 12. We have given two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet of two poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So we have to given there are two poles whose height are 6 meter and 11 meter, and distance between their feet is 12 meter. So now let me draw figure of this question. So what do we have? And 4, this is 11 meter, and another 4 whose height is 6 meter, and this is the distance between their feet. We have given 12 meter. Okay, suppose this is the point A and B, and this is the C, this is the D. So AB pole of height 6 meter and CD is another pole of height 11 meter. And here point A and C is the top of their pole. So now joining A to C. So this is the distance between their tops of this pole, and we have to find, okay, here ask to find the distance between their top. And now join the perpendicular from A. So this is another line, point P. This is the point P. Okay. So AB is 6 centimeter, therefore CD is also 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Then distance CP, total distance CD is 11, then CP is 5 meter. They are given BD equal to 12 meter, then AP is also 12 meter. So now write given AB equal to 6 meter and CD equal to, this is 11 meter. Then CP equal to CP, and here AB and now write AB and PD equal to 6 meter. And CD both are 6 meter. And now find the distance here CP. So this is CP equal to 11 meter minus 6 meter equal to 5 meter. Okay, so this is the distance CP equal to 5 meter. And in this question we have to find the distance between top. So this is the distance AC. Okay, between the top we have to find this. So now look at here, APC. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle at P. Then we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So this AC square equal to AC square plus CP square. Okay, and AP is given. This is square meter. So this is square meter square plus CP. CP is given. CP equal to 5 meter square, and the square of 12, this is 144 meter square plus the square of 5, this is 25 meter square. Now add 144 to 25, so this is 139, and this is the value of AC square, and value of AC equal to 130 meter. So here we will find the value of AC equal to 30 meter. So this is the distance between the top. Okay, equal to 30 meter. There we will find. So hence the distance between the top is 30 meter. This is the answer of the question.